Welcome to Kensho Pharmacy, your partner in chronic care management. Today, we're embarking on a global health journey, the 30-day garlic challenge. Whether you're managing hypertension, diabetes, or just want to boost your wellness, this challenge could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stick around for a free downloadable garlic challenge tracker at the end, perfect for logging your progress and results. Did you know that garlic has been celebrated for thousands of years, from ancient Egypt to modern clinics for its powerful health benefits? Studies show garlic can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and even support your immune system. For our audience across the US, Kenya, Canada, the UK, and beyond, garlic is affordable, accessible, and easy to add to your daily routine. The 30-day garlic challenge is simple. Eat a small amount of raw or lightly cooked garlic every day for a month. We'll track changes in blood pressure, energy, and overall wellness. This isn't a fad, it's a science-backed experiment you can do at home, with real potential to impact chronic conditions like hypertension and diabetes. Garlic, it's more than just flavor. It's a tiny bulb with huge health benefits, backed by science. Here are some of the benefits. For blood pressure, clinical studies show that eating garlic daily can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 8 millimeters of mercury. That's almost as good as some prescription meds. For cholesterol, garlic can reduce LDL, the bad cholesterol, and boost HDL, the good cholesterol. That's a 1-2 punch for your heart health. For immunity and inflammation, its sulfur compounds help fight infections and calm inflammation, so your immune system gets a natural boost. In everyday relevance, from Kenyan sukuma wiki to Italian pasta, garlic is a global kitchen hero. It's an easy habit to start, no matter where you live. So, next time you cook, think beyond taste. Add garlic. Your heart, immune system, and taste buds will thank you. Before we dive in, a quick heads up. This video is just for learning purposes. It's not medical advice. Always check with your doctor before making changes, especially if you have a chronic condition or take medication. Garlic can be powerful, but it may cause side effects or interact with certain drugs. And please never stop or change prescribed treatments without professional guidance. Your health is unique, so take care and participate at your own pace and at your own risk. Ready? Let's go. Here's your step-by-step guide. 1. Choose your garlic. Fresh cloves are best, but powdered or crushed can work in a pinch. 2. Daily dose. 1 to 2 cloves per day. Start small if you're new to garlic. 3. Preparation. Crush or chop and let sit for 10 minutes. This activates allicin, the key compound for lowering blood pressure, among other uses. 4. Eat it. Swallow with water, mix into salads, or add to cooked meals. Just don't overcook. Track your progress. Use our free garlic challenge tracker to log daily intake, blood pressure, energy levels, and any side effects. Health tip: if you're on blood thinners or have a sensitive stomach, consult your healthcare provider first. What can you expect? On days 1 to 7, you might notice a stronger taste and aroma. Some people feel more energized. On days 8 to 14, blood pressure may start to shift. Keep tracking. On days 15 to 21, you may notice improved digestion and possibly better immunity. On days 22 to 30, many report lower blood pressure, better cholesterol, and overall wellness. Share your journey in the comments below. Let's support each other from Nairobi to New York. We've seen inspiring stories from around the world, proof that small changes can lead to big results. In the UK, a grandmother lowered her blood pressure in just 3 weeks. no fad diets, just smart food choices. In Kenya, a viewer started adding garlic to her daily sukuma wiki and saw her energy soar. In Canada, a subscriber used our tracker and proudly shared her results with her doctor. Global cooking tip: try garlic in your favorite local dishes, ugali, pasta, stir fries, or even smoothies. Yes, really, wherever you are in the world, a healthier you could start with your next meal. Ready to take charge of your health? Download your free 30-day garlic challenge tracker from the link in the description. It's packed with daily logs, blood pressure charts, and recipe ideas from around the world. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more science-backed health challenges, tips, and wellness hacks. Join our global Kenshop Harm community and let's thrive together. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your country and garlic challenge goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family managing chronic conditions. Your health journey inspires us all. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay inspired.